So in this video I want to show how I changed the touch of an iPad fifth generation, how I replace it. The one I have is broken, as you can see, and because of it it's not touching very well, it's not responding very well. So uh, it needs to be replaced. Um, so basically, this is what it will be replaced with. There's something we we need to use to remove that thing gently enough. We need this. We need. We also need, as you can see, this part is up already. These things come, you can get them easily anywhere they sell parts, accessories for phones, especially those screen protection. You pick them off the floor, as in they are wastes, but I guess there's a new use for it. And since there's always plenty, you can always get more anytime. And to that, for now, I intentionally left the phone on because we want to be sure that while we are doing it, we are careful enough that we don't do anything that will damage the screen. So it's always better to leave the screen on so that you can, because with the screen on the background, you can always easily tell when you are getting too close to the screen itself. As it is, now we need to loosen 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. The main reason we need to loosen this is because there are some things you have to get at. You have to get to where the screen is, where the touch is attached to the screen, to the board, and to get to it, we have to get to this place. Lucky for us, whoever did it before did not do such a very good job, but at least it did not make it too difficult for us either. The screen flex is not supposed to stick so much to it, but then I guess if that is how it wants to be, we can put this aside for now so that we can have easier access to the rest of the. Hold on, my screwdriver just fell down. Okay, so now there's a small clip here that has to be pulled up before this flex can be removed, and then we have another flex here, and voila, we have disconnected this. So as I said earlier, this flex, even though I don't know if I really want to believe it, But I was told that the flex that comes originally with that's the home button that comes originally with the this thing is always better than the new one. So if that is the case, it means I have to um I will just leave this up here without removing it completely. Then I'll put the new one. I guess the person just put this paper tape here so that um, the home button doesn't just keep falling off, so that it will hold it down, and then this stops it from. So I guess we have that where we want it. Now to return everything back to the way they were. So here we go. Well, because it has been worked on before, this thing normally should cover this place, but we didn't meet it there, and yes, that's how we're going to leave it. Now the screen goes back in. I'm not comfortable with this. I think I should just remove the screen so that I can treat the screen on its own and then put the lid over it, instead of just trying to press it down.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you was just the
Now this is where the difficulty comes sometimes for most people. How to clean this? Seeing that we are putting a new one, cleaning this screen will be the most difficult part of it. Although I think we should test it first before we even get to that place. There's still a little bit of cleaning that we have to do. Guess we have lunch, right? Everything is working well.
And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot more that you will learn from us.
Controlling me, my thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever